Namaste friends, this is Nisha Thakur here, and today we learn how to rationalize the denominator or numerator. So here if we our in numerator or denominator their radical expression like a plus b square root c, this type of, so we have to multiply. For example, this gives in denominator, so its conjugate like a, here this sign only change, minus b square root c, this is called its conjugate radical. So we have to multiply in numerator and denominator with this, and here we can use a special product formula like this one, a plus b, a minus b equal a square minus b square. This formula we will use, so it will be radical free. So here a square minus b square root c whole square, so a square minus b square and square root c will be c. So this is radical free, that's why we do like this one process. mm, we get radical free answer. Okay, let's do this question. Rationalize the denominator. Here in denominator give 1 plus square root 2. So what is its conjugate? Do you know? Yes, just change middle sign, 1 minus square root 2, and you can multiply in numerator and denominator. Square root 2. Okay, so simply multiply here numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 1 times this is same. Here again we apply special product formula, a square minus b square. A square it means 1 square, b square it means square root square, and here 1 minus square root 2, numerator right as it is. 1 square is 1, square root 2 square is 2. So 1 minus square root 2 upon 1 minus 2 minus 1, and we are dividing with -1, so -1 positive this square root 2, but usually we write positive terms first, so we can write square root 2 minus 1, and this is the answer. These questions are really important when we do calculus, especially limits and uh, differentiation. Okay, this is another question. Here, rationalize the numerator. So square root 4 plus h minus 2 upon h. What is its conjugate? Tell me. Yes, square root 4 plus h plus 2. There minus, so here plus. Square root 4 plus h plus 2. Okay, so simply now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So here this is a minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square, and here simply multiply. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, so here square root and square will be cancel out, just 4 plus h minus 2 square is 4 h square root 4 plus h plus 2. And now here 4 minus 4 will be 0. So this is cancel, 4 and minus 4. And can you check their common factor in numerator and denominator? Yes, you are correct. H is common factor, so we can cancel out. So 1 upon square root 4 plus h plus 2. And this is the answer. Okay, if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice time.